Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over the formula pattern scale in the key of C sharp major and D flat major. Now this key right here can be named either C sharp or D flat. For the purposes of this video I'm going to do it in the key of D flat, but the fingering, the notes, how it feels will be the same in the key of C sharp as well. It'll just look different on the music. So we're going to go over the notes of the scale first, and they are: Do is D flat, Re, E flat, Mi is F, Fa, G flat, So, A flat, La, B flat, T, C, and Do, D flat. So the fingering for this scale is non-standard fingering, but it feels really nice in the hand. We're gonna have fingers 2 and 3 on those two black keys, and then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Left hand starts on 3, crosses on 4, 3, 4, and then you can cross over to the top. So as we're going through these formula pattern scales, there's a couple things to keep in mind to keep them organized. And the first thing is, are we playing parallel motion? That means the hands are playing the same notes at the same time in the same direction, so up or down. Or are we playing contrary motion? In this case, one hand is playing up, the other hand is playing down, like this. So in the contrary motion scales, you have to kind of keep organized where the black keys are and when you're crossing. Whereas the parallel, you're going to be playing the same notes at the same time. So if you take a look at the chart up above, you'll see how the formula pattern scale is organized. The segments are either parallel or contrary, looks like a diamond. So we're going to start parallel, so we go up 1 octave, then contrary, looks like a diamond, out and in. Then parallel, up, down, out, in, and finally back down. So in order to lock in all the fingering and the changes, we're going to use short and long rhythm technique in the scales. It's going to feel like this. We have 3 on Do, 2 on Do. Here we go. Left hand 4s crossing over, going up, parallel. Now right hand's going to continue on up, left hand's going to turn around and contrary. Right hand's going up, left hand's going down. Now contrary in, switch direction. Now left hand's going to continue up, right hand switches direction, we're parallel. And down, parallel. Both hands change direction. Now left hand's going to continue on down, right hand's going to switch direction. Contrary. And contrary again, switch direction. Both hands, left hand's coming up the scale, right hand's coming down. Now, right hand's going to continue on down, and left hand switches direction. The final segment is parallel. Now we'll do that same scale without the dotted rhythms. We'll start with a parallel segment. Up, out, contrary, in, up, parallel, down, parallel, out, in, Now the only thing that changes when we change from 2 to 4 octaves is the length of the segment. So when we were doing 2 octave formula pattern scale, we had 1 octave up, 1 out, 1 in, up, down, out, in, and back down. Now we're going to start lower on the piano. Hands will still be 1 octave apart, but our segments are going to be 2 octaves. So we'll start here, up for 2 octaves, out, in, up, down, out, in, So let's do that. 2 octaves parallel. Out. In. Up. And down. Out. In. Down. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of C sharp major or D flat major. They look different on paper, but they are the same feel, same fingering, everything. So I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other videos on piano technique or piano literature, quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.